Where are we going?
We're going to the park. Yesterday, we saw Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber. How did you feel about that?
It was like totally awesome.
Beautiful mountains in the distance.
Hey girl, hey!
Girl, hey!
What's up, girl? Oh my gosh, so I'm like going to see this show tonight.
Oh my gosh!
It's like
water all over.
Canada's Idol. Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
I'm like so excited, and it's gonna be such a jam.
Wings and a tail and a small red crown on my head, but my song just seems to say, hell, I sing chubby, chubby, chubby cheeks, chubby cheeks. Ooh, it sounds so sweet. She kicked out all those other eggs to make some room for me. The warblers never noticed, and they fed me constantly. I'm much luckier than my sibs, raised in another nest. That warbler mom noticed, they were bigger than the rest. She quickly built another nest atop my egg-bound kin, laid another clutch of eggs to begin again. Cowbird, brown-headed cowbird, cutest bird you ever heard. I'm a cowbird, brown-headed cowbird. Warblers are in trouble, rest assured. Oh, I long to sing like the males, but females don't communicate that way. Oh, and I've got the same plots, but instinct tells me no way. I use too much energy to sing all day. The bird chorus can be thundering, but I know you're wondering the best time to hear us sing. First check the time of year. Springtime is when you're here. We're busy protecting our territory. We sing early in the morning. It's the best time for performing. The cool, quiet air is worth the wait. We dance much in the afternoons. The wind and heat would ruin the tune. It would use too much energy. We pick it up in the evening and sing with such feeling. The song fills the quiet air. I must wait since the hush, the song bird up the crust. I sing at dawn and dusk.
Save the birdies right away.
Yeah!
Where we are.
And birds and...
If you want to see the birdies tomorrow and today, oh, you gotta act and you gotta act.
That was beautiful. Your flash. Oh.
Nice little cameo.
This one's actually nice.
Who's cameo?
Boom.
That's hers. That's the one I'm using for